The 5-point Origin system will apply cutting-edge technology to classical curricula to teach children to triangulate their worldview. Language hardwires our brains. Centuries and millennia ago, classical scholars in the Far East, Middle East, and West were raised on a simple but elegant curriculum of several languages. Origin will start with Arabic, English, and Japanese, 3 of the most diverse languages. These linguistically, diametrically opposed languages provide a wide spectrum of cultural ideas. European, Far Eastern, and Middle Eastern writing systems foster 3 pairs of eyes and 3 unique thought processes. This project is to build a prototype of an adaptive learning iOS app for children to learn Arabic, English, Japanese, and maths. The prototype will model the design of the app so that investors, educators, and consumers will understand how, after we have a good prototype, we will build the full app. The app will use adaptive learning to assign and monitor homework. Adaptive learning uses the teaching process to learn how to best teach the student. Most educational technology is not teaching your child. EdTech can be many-to-one and many-to-many, but EdTech must learn to teach us first, or EdTech is just a lot of pretty pictures. Only 3 children's software in the world, all in English, are fully adaptive. A metaphor of a good and bad teacher might illustrate adaptive learning. A good teacher learns from the student, what the student knows and does not know. A good teacher adapts the teaching to the student and offers encouragement. Most educational technology is not adaptive. Like a bad teacher, most educational technology moves from one lesson to the next, oblivious to what the student has or has not learned. Good teachers interactively learn to teach each student better. In computer parlance, good teachers adapt to each student. If your child has difficulty, both good teachers and adaptive learning software will analyze and adapt a better method to teach. あなたの子供は日本語教育ソフトを使っているなら、そのソフトは絶対に子供の学び方を分析してません。断言できます。If children are using adaptive learning software, they may learn as fast as a computer can teach. After we have built this prototype, we will crowdfund the full app and brick-and-mortar Origin centers franchised in locations based on your pledges and app downloads. The Origin centers will be modeled on Dr. Sugata Mitra's self-organized learning environments, which use remote and on-site human mediators. Unlike traditional top-down schooling, the Origin centers will mediate open learning. Professor Mitra found that rather than when adults pace children to use the internet, children learn better and faster by using computers at their own pace. The Origin system will facilitate multinational study at the price of a neighborhood after-school learning program by focusing on classical curricula using adaptive learning software on iPad minis in Origin centers using self-organized learning environments. Thank you for watching. Please pledge, and let's make our world better.